Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're a new subscriber, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, nawapenda wote. Thank you for joining me. Today I'll show you guys how to install the falsies, yes, lashes, and I'll show you guys what you need to do in order to install these lashes. So you'll need a pair of lashes, lash glue, and also forceps. So I'll just show you guys how I do it. So you'll take the glue and place it on the lashes, because I just then put it aside and let it dry. You also do the same for the other lash. Just use an adequate amount, don't put too much or too little. The lash, and then try place it close to your eyelashes, your eyelid. So once you're done with this side, you can pick the eyelash for the other side as well. Mess. This is a fucking woman. Who's the fucking roommate? I was messy with my lash glue because it's not clear glue, it's black glue. So I'll just take my eyeshadow and then go on top of the eyeshadow I had earlier to cover up the glue. Just like that, and we are good to go. I hope you learned something, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also click on the subscription button below. Thanks. Bye.